Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: firmware up to date, battery charged, and a cloud account ready. First, sign into your cloud provider and keep credentials handy. Next, connect the camera to the correct Wi-Fi network. Many devices require 4 GHz, so choose that band if prompted. Once connected, enable camera cloud access in device settings and grant necessary permissions. This ensures the device can authenticate and start transferring footage immediately. Avoiding mid-setup interruptions, now you configure how and what the camera stores to the cloud. You choose recording mode. Motion saves bandwidth, continuous captures everything, so decide based on your needs. Then set resolution and bitrate. Higher quality uses more data and storage, so adjust to your internet upload speed and plan limits. Next, pick retention length and enable auto overwrite to prevent full storage errors. Make sure to link any local event tags to cloud folders, so clips are indexed and easy to find once uploaded. Finish by performing test recordings and confirming they appear in the cloud within a few minutes. This validates the pipeline. You should also test playback on your phone and web portal and enable push or email notifications for events. If something goes wrong, start simple. Reboot the camera and router, confirm Wi-Fi credentials, then reauthorize the cloud service. If uploads still fail, check router firewall and ISP upload speed. Finally, contact support with logs. This sequence narrows issues quickly and gets you back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.